Now, since we've sold out of everything and we oversold, so we won't be doing any more videos on these until the next ones come in. So lithium either comes with a 58 amp hour lead acid, and those are better for colder weather, but I've had 3 customers that want lithium, so we did install the lithium back there. Now there is a big weight difference because you've got, oh, what did Darren say? We've got 44 times 7, 280 pounds of battery. 35, maybe they're 35 pounds. Anyways, they're heavy freaking batteries. I'm gonna turn on. They're heavy batteries, so you're taking a lot of weight from the NEXA. Remember to take off your emergency brake. But these new ones, the 72 volt, are quick. These are quick, folks. Like, holy, I am super impressed. The lead acid is going to be a slightly slower takeoff than that. Look at this, like, they zoom. Now they are limited. Oh, this one went just a little faster there. Uh-oh. These are all going 40. These are definitely peppy. 72 volt was, because these are heavy. These, we shipped these with the crate. These are 700 pounds. Obviously less of the lithium. It may even be more because they were shipped with the pallet. So I'm going too fast. You should keep these at 30 kilometers an hour. Fogging up a little bit in here, so I'm gonna put the air on. And I'm gonna put the heat on.